4:30, baby, won't you meet me by the bean? Too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, she blow me kisses now. 30 degrees, way too.
Hello my beautiful babes, welcome back to another video. So y'all already seen the look from the intro, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, please keep on watching. So first off, I already have my brows done off camera and I'm going in with my base and tapping in. Now from my Morphe 35 palette, I'm taking that brown shade and I'm blending that into my crease with a dense, I like to do this with a dense round brush. So with this, I just like to take my time and blend so it doesn't look like it's sitting on my eyelid. So yeah, and I like to use a round dense brush for this. After I'm done blending that in, I'm taking a lighter shade and I'm blending that into my brow bone area with a fluffy brush. So sorry guys, I lost that clip. So what I was meant to do was use the Vaseline and create an outline just like I'm doing now, just to create a clean base, for a clean canvas for my base. So basically, instead of using my base to cut the crease, I use the Vaseline and clean it out before applying the base. So right now I'm spreading, like tapping it in, making sure it's not creasing or it's not going to crease, and just blending, generally blending. Okay, so right here is the color that I'm using, obviously, and I'm applying that. I'm tapping, I'm dabbing, I'm pressing, actually. I'm not swiping, but whatever, I'm just like pressing it. So next I'm taking my lash glue and with a flat brush I am applying that onto the outline that I created. So I let the lash glue get tacky, then I start applying the glitter onto the lash glue. Oh, look how pretty, baby. That's so pretty. After prepping my lashes, my own lashes, like applying mascara and then popping on my lashes, I do my skin, prep my skin, make sure it's supple and soft, moisturized for the foundation. Now I'm using my foundation from Black Opal. I think it's called Carob, I think. And I love how this foundation matches my skin tone, blends in properly. You guys can already see, like, it's my exact shade, and it's so easy to blend, like it's blendable and lightweight. Like, you really do not have to struggle with this, as you can see. Now over to my concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Fawn LA Girl concealer. Guys, this video is so old. Like, my technique has changed so much. Not so much though, but like, this video is old. I wouldn't do my concealer this way now. But oh well, still good. Keep learning every day, so it's fine. So with my concealer, I like to go in with a soft damp sponge and just blend before the concealer gets dried. Before it dries down, actually. So yes, that's what I'm doing. And look at the blend. So I like to go in with another layer just because why not? I just like how it makes my under eye look bright and pretty, so why not? Why not? So I just blend. The look is coming together, like everything is coming together. Now I'm taking my Sacha buttercup setting powder and baking, not really baking, but just setting my under eye. I don't really like to bake because it goes south every time I try to. Why? But anyways, like I said, my technique has changed, and whatever you see I'm doing now, this thing I'm doing right now, I don't do it anymore because like that's too much setting powder on my cheek, on my cheekbone, on my cheek, whatever, and it might leave a harsh line. So I don't do that anymore, okay? But I just set my face, okay? I still do like apply setting powder on my cheeks to give me a sculptured look, but not that much, okay? So right now I'm just blending out all the setting powder that I have in that area and applying more, like baking this time. Okay, let's see. You see the harsh line? Anyways, my makeup technique has changed so much from the last time that I did this makeup, so period. What I'm doing now is taking care of the smile lines by smiling and applying powder to the area, setting powder to the areas that I have the smile lines, okay? So now I'm taking my classic face definer palette, and I'm just sculpting my face, giving it that defined sculpted look, right? So yes, I did not really do like the contour process, so this is the contouring that I'm doing right now. So yes, and then I'm blending out the excess powders like that. So this is really a simple, not complex contouring and highlight technique. Now as you can see, I'm using my eyeshadow, my red eyeshadow, as blush, and look at that, look at that. Obviously getting excited because your girl is looking pretty and snatched and whatnot. Now with my regular brow pencil, I'm using that to outline my lips, and yes, after that I'm taking my lipstick from Classic Makeup and I'm going over the lip liner with that to give it a more defined look. Now I'm taking a nude lip gloss and going over that with a clear lip gloss after blending, the usual. This tutorial was not really detailed, I'm sorry, okay? I promise you guys I'm coming up with another detailed video, a tutorial, a proper tutorial, like not this type, like this video was not detailed. I promise you guys I'm coming up with another, like look at me acting a fool. Taking off the excess baking powder, girl. This is literally supposed to be called baking powder because because why not? Okay, so my mascara time, and get that bottom lashes straight. Get it straight, okay? So I like to seal up the look with my setting spray from Zaron, and after that I'm adding some moles. Is it called moles or freckles? No, moles to my face, and yes, okay. Add some highlights to my cheekbones and the highlighted areas in my brow, on my brow bone, and the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. And I like to do this with a small fluffy brush so I don't apply too much. Yeah, so that wraps it up for this look. If you watched till the end, thank you so much, guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm really coming back with another detailed tutorial, and thank you. If you're not yet subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.